Okay, then let's practice. It is practice 1. It is combination of base vowels and consonants. Okay, so combination. Let's start with the vowel A, ka, na, ta, la, ma, pa, sa, a, ta, ta, ka, ta, pa, ha. And the next one is ya sound. But I will let you know some tips, right? You know, very hard to pronounce, like ah and then ya. So in this case, you can say e first and then ya, e first. So the first one is kya. So e first, kya, 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 like this. Kya, nya, tya, lia, mya, pya, sha, ya, cha, cha, kya, tya, pya, hya. Good job. And then o sound like ugly. O, ko, no, to, lo, mo, po, so, o, to, ko, to, po, ho. Good job. And then attach small bar, then attach y, right? So it is yo sound. So yo, e first, right? Yo, yo. So kyo, nya, tyo, 려, 며, 벼, 셔, 여, 저, 쳐, 켜, 튀어, 펴, 혀. Good job. And next one, make your lips circle O. O sound. 고, 노, 도, 로, 모, 보, 소. 오, 조, 초, 고, 도, 보, 호. Good job. And then attach the small bar, then you can attach Y, right? So it is E first. 요, 요. So, 교, 뇨, 듀, 료, 묘, 표, 쇼, 요, 조, 초, 쿄, 튀, 표, 효. Ooh, 효. And then next one is U sound. 우, 구, 누, 두, 루, 무, 부, 수. 우, 주, 추, 쿠, 투, 푸, 후. Good job. And then attach small bar, attach Y, then U. U, okay? Q, new, 튜, 류, 뮤, 뷰, 슈, 유, 주, 추, 튜, 퓨, 휴, 휴. And then sound. 그, 느, 드, 르, 무, 브, 스, 으, 즈, 츠, 크, 트, 프, 흐. Last one, E sound. 기, 니, 디, 리, 미, 비, 시, 이, 지, 치, 키, 티, 피, 히. So next round is about compound vowels.